All right, today is the day I get back on the road. I went to San Diego, California to visit the family for the holidays, and I had a very nice stay, but gas is quite expensive in San Diego. I can't afford to stay any longer. So I'm at this Vista viewpoint here in East County, San Diego, just past Alpine, California. A beautiful spot here. It looks like we got a beautiful day on our hands. It rained most of the week I was in San Diego for the holidays, but I was spending time with family anyway, so it was a great stay. But it is time to get back on the road and continue this adventure. Let's do this. All right, let's get back on the highway. We're going to be using Interstate 8 heading east towards Yuma, Arizona. It's quite a setup there. Oh, it is so nice to feel that sunshine. We had a lot of rainy, cloudy days. It's good to feel the sun again. Okay, we're going to make our way through the mountains and then drop down into the desert. Got a good few hour drive ahead of us. Away we go. Okay, we're going to make our descent down the mountains. We're at an elevation 3,000 feet. We're going to drop down to sea level here real quick, just a few miles. It's a pretty good grade here, so I'm just going to take it easy. We're making our way through these mountains here. I love this drive. It's just such an interesting mountain range, just all rock. Thousands and thousands of boulders. And then we just drop right out into the flat desert. The sign says we're still up at 1,000 feet, but we'll be down at sea level here very shortly. Oh. Border Patrol. Got a guy down on the ground. This is smooth driving this morning. Hardly anyone on the road. Awesome. Just gonna sit back and enjoy the rest of the ride. We're crossing over the Colorado River, which brings us into the state of Arizona. Hello, Arizona. Goodbye, California. California, it was nice. We're back out on the road. And Yuma is a busy little town. Welcome to Arizona, the Grand Canyon State. Okay, we'll check in here in a little bit. We go find our camp. Okay, we're getting back on the highway. We're gonna cross back into California. I was able to fuel up in Yuma for $3.69 a gallon. Fueled up in San Diego for $4.69 a gallon, so full $1 a gallon cheaper. Got a 30-gallon tank, so that's about $30 per fill-up difference. And you go back over the Colorado River, back into California. There's the state line. We're going to be exiting immediately. That was just about 5-6 miles out of my way to save a little money on gas. It was worth it because I didn't need a full fill up. We're going to make our way over to the Imperial Dam long-term visitor camping area near Senator's Wash and Squaw Lake. We are riding the state line along the river here. Maybe cutting through the farm fields here to get to the camping area. Well, looks like they're growing a bunch of broccoli out here. You can smell it. It smells good. Yeah, we're coming upon the date farms here. These are date palm trees. They harvest the dates. Imperial Date Gardens. There's actually a shop up here. You can get a milkshake made with dates. They're super good. I'm gonna skip it because I indulged quite a bit over the holidays. Okay, here we are. We're gonna take a left here at Imperial Dam long-term visitor area. Also, the Senator Wash camping area is down this to the left. If you continue forward, that's Squaw Lake, where you can camp also. South Mesa recreation site. Here we are, this is it. Off to the left of the RV dumps and trash, water. You've got a host here, a little building where you get your permits. I will be getting a visitor permit. I'm gonna go in and check it with my friends first and come back out. Here at the long-term visitor area, it's the whole season, which I believe is almost 7 months, and it's like $175 for the whole season, the whole year. And that includes, of course, being able to use the sewer dump, the trash, the water. So it's a pretty good deal if you stay the whole season. And really with the Christian Center there and the services they offer, you'd really only have to go into town, into Yuma, to get groceries. Everything else you could get out here. They do have some restrooms as well for people that don't have fully self-contained RVs. And I believe they ask that the non-self-contained, basically people without a toilet, camp within a certain distance. Hey, Angelica! Hi. I made it back.
Welcome back.
Guys have a nice holiday?
That was awesome.
Cool. Right on. Oh, it's so warm here.
It's really nice. It hasn't been, though.
Yeah,
so.
it rained in San Diego the whole week I was there.
It was colder in San Diego.
Yeah.
It's been a little cold the last 2 nights, but we got the buddy heater and it was fine.
Nice. Cool.
You know, but
Right on.
yeah, it's good to see you.
Yeah, I'll be around for a little bit. We'll come say hi.
Go to town and take a shower.
Right on. Cool. We'll see you around. My friend Angelica, who's staying here also. I knew they were here. My friend Arlen had told me that. That's what I love about the desert out here in the winter. Just there's so many people that I know that are out and about and just randomly run into people, and it's so fun. So I'll stop by their camp and catch up. As you can probably see out here, there are a lot of RVs. Oh, it's a beautiful day. I can take this sweatshirt off. I think it's the high is supposed to be 70 today. We'll take it. Okay, my buddy's camp is just up the road, so we'll check in when we get there. All right, well, we got settled in at camp here. We'll give you a look around. Arlen and Val, my friends here, are out today, but they will be coming back. We'll try to introduce them. I'm not sure if they actually want to be on camera, but I'm set up over here. I had to pitch my tent. I have some extra stuff that I'm sorting through and hopefully getting rid of, so I've got my tent for storage there, and I'm just parked up here. And they've got a nice big spot here. This is the Class A that does not run that Arlen has, that he has towed from the storage area here seasonally. Works out really good. And this is his van that he drives normally and goes to town in when he's camped here long term. And I'm going to be working on some projects here. Again, Val is out in her Sprinter van. We have a diesel heater that we're going to try to install when they get back. And you recognize this here. Arlen's got a little Honda 110 like I used to have. This is not the same one that I had, but he bought it about the time I was getting rid of my old one. So I'll be going out for a ride on that. Okay, well, we have the charcoal grill set up out there. getting some pork chops cooked up. I'm gonna try to get something to go with that. I'm using a freezer now, fridge freezer. So I'm able to have some frozen vegetables. Okay, these are ready. All right, so here's the finished product. We did those frozen veggies with some grilled pork chops. It's looking good. The dishes are done, man. Okay, so that's usually how I do my dishes. This is just distilled white vinegar. Spray it down and wipe it clean with a cloth. And then I'll usually shake this off in the trash, any food particles it picked up, and rinse this off outside with soap and water. And gets the dishes nice and clean, breaks down all the oils, works out really good. Saves a lot of water. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you being here. I'll have an update in the next few days in the next video about the Quartzsite, Arizona meetup, January 16th through the 23rd. I'll have an exact location of where my camp will be if anyone wants to stop by for a visit. In the meantime, I hope you're doing well, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.